So the trick is, for example, we select upper tribune, we select material properties, we select shaders. Here we see our object is receiving shadow, but we also enable the receiving of transparent shadows. So it will receive shadows from transparent object or semi-transparent object. For example, a fence here. So it will receive a shadow like from fence, not from the solid. And we do this thing for every object. Okay. And then think if the lighting fit for you, we can now do the texture making. So let's start with down tribune. So select down tribune, select all meshes. Here you see the UV mapping. Next thing we do is to we need to make a new UV mapping layer. So we press F9 for mesh properties. Here you see UV texture. We'll make new. Name it something like O1. So here it is. Now we make a new image for rendering. Our new texture, pressing image, new. So I'm always using the high resolution of image, because when we unwrap the object there will be larger amount of unwrapped mesh. And here is the trick of the transparency. So people asking in the forum why they are unable to render to transparencies. So we need to make alpha 0 and press OK. So here you see that the image is transparent. Now we unwrap and OK. Here you go. And press F10 for baking. Here you see the baking options. Select full render. It's already selected. Start baking. Okay, now you see our new baked image. So you see that is our stand with shadow now. So select our image, our meshes, and do not forget to save our image in the working directory. You can press Save As, select our working directory, change PNG, and name it. Do not forget to write the extension manually. Save image. Image is saved now. So go again to mesh properties, and we do not need our first layer of UV mapping, so you can delete it. Now we go to material properties, and in the UV mapping we put the name of our new UV layer, so it is 01. Here we make an alpha channel available. Then we go to texture properties and actually change our texture to new one. If we save texture, the texture is available here. Okay. Use alpha. And also pressing Premol, so it's better rendering of alpha channel. And basically that's it. So the next thing, we need to do the same thing for every object. So now I press a pause to not waste your time. And here we go. I have done all the mapping, all the baking, and exported my stadium to the Stadium Studio format. And what we see in a Stadium Studio, as you see, looks much better with all the shadows. Okay, thank you for your time.